Well, hello guys, welcome to Cat Buddy. So today I'll be telling you about a few basics of how to build a solid part in the SolidWorks. I mean, it's a so in the features when you open the SolidWorks, in the features you'll be finding these features like a extrude boss base, revolve boss base, and few other options which will be activated when we actually draw some solid part. Or let me pause with the time and let me go into the code. So here I'm going to choose the front plane. uh, Let me draw a rectangle. Let me take this one, give a smart dimension of, okay, it's in the IPS format. Let me change it to milligrams, millimeter, grams and seconds. Okay, left click, chalo, sketch back. This will, let me put it as 100 mm. Okay, so I have created a rectangle, I mean, wait, I created a square, so on a front plane. So let me extrude it. I mean, extrude means that let me uh, create it let me convert this square on a 2D platform. I mean on a 2D plane to something which is 3D, something which is a solid. Okay, I'm using extrude boss base, so that will be applicable for this feature which I have drawn. Okay, let me put it as 100 mm here, so that will make it as a cube. I mean, that's a perfect cube with dimensions of 100, 100 and 100. Okay, I hope you get this. It's very simple in making this cube, guys. Okay. Okay, coming to the next one, let me go for extrude cut here. So I'm choosing this side and normal to, which makes a perpendicular to whichever the, you can choose whichever the size side you want to edit on. So I'm going to choose this side now. So now right click on this, sketch. So this sketches this, when you right click on this part and sketch it, this will be sketching on the surface of this, on this face. Okay, I hope you get that. So let me take a center line and or something here. Okay, so this will be the center of whatever it is, center of the face or side. So okay, let me put a slot on this. Okay, I want to choose this one accordingly. Yeah, put it in this way. Okay, now let me tell you about the feature extrude cut. So I want to cut this part, I want to cut this slot on this cube. uh, the depth of, I mean the side, the length of, this is a proper cube, so it will be 100 mm. When I choose it to be 100 the depth to be 100 mm, then it is going to be cutting, then it is going to cut the complete, it is going to cut the, it's going to cut through it. So I just want it to be 50 mm. Okay, it is going to cut half of it. So this is how it cuts. So if I choose it to be, sorry, okay, let me draw a circle here, somewhere here randomly, and if I want to cut through it so completely, let me go for 100 mm here, which is one side. Okay, I hope you got this. So this is just cut 50 mm and this is completely through it. Okay, let's go for other feature, which is revolve boss base. Okay, let me delete all this one. Yeah. Okay, revolve boss base. Okay, the next feature will be revolve boss base. That it is just say imagine how do you build a tire. So to build a tire we are going to use this main feature. So let me briefly tell you this. Okay, I'm going to sketch a center line here just like this, and I'm going to draw a circle here, the circle of diameter, okay, say 50, and the distance of center to this line, let it be 100. Okay, then now I'm going to use this feature, revolve boss base. Okay, so this automatically took the axis of revolution of this circle as this line, so that will be line 7, and 3 the degree of rotation, or rotation on the line is 360 degree. It automatically took that. You can also change how much ever you want. So let's say 270 degree, then that will only turn 270 degree. Okay. Let me change this to 270 degree. Yeah, done. Check this out, guys. This is just a 270 degrees of rotation. So okay, let me change this. Edit feature, edit that feature. So whatever the solid feature, we can edit that. So let me go for 360 degree. Okay, that will be the complete. Let's say it's a donut. So this is we can build any tire or any circular feature or any something which is even all around along an around an axis. We can use this feature as revolve boss base. So okay, let me go for another feature. So I'm choosing front plane, and I'm going to draw a line in this. Okay, let me go for spline here. So spline, this random line that I'm drawing. So and exit the sketch. I'm again going to choose a right plane to this. So I'm going to choose a right plane. Let me make perpendicular to my view. So I'm going to draw a circle here on the origin axis, which is the contact point for both the spline and the circle. I hope you're getting this. Okay, let me choose set boss base. That is another feature here. So here we can see this dialog box appears. So path and profile, sketch profile. So here we have we can see it from the profiles here. It is very simple. We can understand this. We have a feature which we need to sweep it with. So I'm choosing it circle. Okay, it has chosen the sketch 2 as the running profile, and the path of the profile is depicted by this pink dialog box. That will be this one. Okay, I hope you got this, and if I press OK, then this is gonna change. This feature is created. I hope you got that. So it's very easy in creating any of the these type of structures or features here in the SolidWorks. Just see that this feature has a, it's like a, so what it says, it's like a snake. So what I have made, that there is an angular, I have put the circle to an angle. So let me show you. Yes, so there is an angle between this circle and this line, so that kind of structure came out. So I hope you get that. I hope you get that. So let me continue the other features in another video. Thank you.